Hello, here is another Polkadot news, today about HydraDX Referendum requesting to open HRMP channel to Zeitgeist, also the final unlock of your Turing Rewards, Bitcountry estate staking is coming, Moonsama securing a parachain slot and the final Sama per dot reward ratio, and also the first WASM integration on ASTAR. First, HydraDX, Hydra's referendum is now up for community voting. This is a pretty important referendum for Hydra as it's proposing several major upgrades, such as opening an HRMP channel between Hydra and Zeitgeist and also between Hydra and Centrifuge, and also to register ZTG and CFG tokens as new assets on Hydra's asset registry. The referendum is currently safely passing with more than 90% of ayes votes. You can vote with your HDX either here on hydradx.subsquare.io, simply add the amount of HDX to use for voting, hit confirm and sign, or you can vote on Polkadot.js portal under governance and democracy, referendum number 39 and 2 more days to vote. So if this referendum is approved, a new HRMP channel will be open between Hydra and Zeitgeist and also between Hydra and Centrifuge, meaning soon we will be able to trade both ZTG and CFG in a fully decentralized way on Hydra's Omnipool. Now Crowdloan Rewards from Turing Network, the final fourth distribution of Turing Crowdloan Rewards was held today, so if you have participated in Turing Crowdloan a year ago, today you have received your remaining TUR rewards. You can check the distribution of your TUR rewards on this website, enter your substrate or Kusama contribution address here and you will see the distribution overview. If you like growing your TUR balance, you can add your unlocked TUR to your already staked balance here on Web3Go App. APR staking is still pleasantly high, between 72 to 110%, so staking is definitely worth considering. If you haven't staked yet through this Web3Go app, watch my staking tutorial in the top right. And you can also conveniently stake your TUR through Nova Wallet. At the button click staking, select Turing, at the top select the collator, add the amount of TUR to stake, click continue, confirm and sign. And speaking of staking, Bitcountry yesterday also announced a very pleasant news. Estate staking is going live on Pioneer app already today around 11 PM UTC. Every estate holder will be able to stake up to 1000 NIR per each land unit within one estate. So in order to participate in estate staking, you will need NIR tokens, a minimum of 100 NIR, as well as an estate with at least 2 land units on the Pioneer map. So if you currently own only land units, you will need to create an estate from your land units, because only estates can be used for estate staking. The larger your estate is, the higher will be your NIR staking quota for the entire estate, but the limit is still 1000 NIR per each land unit. By staking NIR in your estate, you will generate BIT rewards. BIT will serve as building material for building on your land and also for crafting NFT metaverse objects. And estate staking doesn't affect the utility of your estate, so you will still be able to build on it, transfer it or trade it. I will release estate staking tutorial within the next few days. And also the deadline for claiming your land units in the Kaosland metaverse is very close. The deadline is April 9th, midnight, so if you still haven't claimed your land units from Bitcountry Crowdloan, you have only 5 more days left to do so. Moving on to Polkadot auctions, an amazing achievement of Moonsama network and the whole Moonsama's team led by Donny. Moonsama has secured a parachain slot on Polkadot. Moonsama has won the auction 42 with a total of 134,000 DOT, supported by 540 unique contributors. Moonsama's parachain lease starts on May 8th. Moonsama aims to become a genuine NFT hub in the Polkadot ecosystem, which is illustrated by the fact that Moonsama will be the first blockchain ever fully governed by NFTs. The final reward ratio for crowdloaners is 112 Sama per each dot, which is eventually pretty good, and 20% of Sama rewards will be unlocked once Moonsama launches as Polkadot's parachain. So it seems like Moonsama's momentum is back. Sama token has seen an impressive recovery in the recent days. Looks like people are starting to pay attention to Moonsama again. Now that it's clear, Moonsama is becoming another Polkadot's parachain, so never underestimate Donny. So now we will have Invarch and Peak crossing swords in the auction 43, with bidding starting on April 28th. Currently Peak is in the lead by 25,000 DOT. Both Peak and Invarch will reward each DOT with a fixed reward. Peak will reward each DOT with 140 Peak tokens, the total supply is 4.2 billion, and Invarch will reward DOT with 100 Varch tokens with a total supply of 1 billion Varch. And at the end, what else but ASTAR? Be sure to tune in to WASM Launch Day Crowdcast this Thursday at 4 PM. Huge day for ASTAR as WASM smart contracts are launching, so this Crowdcast is a must-watch. And what's more, ASTAR's WASM integrations are already making waves with the first WASM NFT launchpad coming to ASTAR announced yesterday. The largest NFT marketplace, Paras, originally based on the NEAR ecosystem, is coming to ASTAR. ASTAR simply continues killing it this year. That's been it, thanks for watching and liking, and I'll be back soon.